Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my team will present about IBS in suitable construction. First of all, my name is Muhammad Nur Hakimi, and my friend Muhammad Hamizan and Amirul Azim Imran. So today, we will present about my project in installation of steel framing roof truss. So the project start 13 November 2021 and project finish 28 December 2021. So the project duration is 4 weeks. So the introduction. The objective is to know the exact material to be used in practical work, to know the function of tool to be used in practical work, to understand sequence of installation process for IBS roof trusses. So the learning outcome. At the end of the practical, students should be able to apply the knowledge they have learning to, assemble suitable grain materials and IBS components with supervision. So the second point is demonstrate punctuality and responsibility in completing tasks of assembling grain system and IPS. So there is a picture. For the next one, introduction to lightweight roof truss. Lightweight ghost steel system often a strong quality products and a fast and easy building process. Construction with steel result in unmentioned strength in structure ability to withstand wind loads, weathering, water impact, and interior lead loads. The final quality of a steel construction is quite reasonable. All corners are square, floor are level, and walls are straight and plumb. Lego steel roof truss are fabricated to exact measurement, avoiding the mold mildew attack, dry road humidity, termite damage, and eventual roof leaks. Wood roof truss and prone to. The consistency of light gauge steel structure also allow finisher to be standardized and installed more efficiently, include the dome, frames, windows frames, steelworks, cabinets, constable plumbing, and electrical work. The standardization and the lightweight nature of light gauge steel led to cost efficient in the form of book discounts and lower foundation costs. A light gauge steel building can also be designed and erected in a matter of months, not years. So the return on your investment is realized fast, and common delays that erode developer profit are minimized. So this is material, equipment, and tool used in construction. For the first is a C-channel to hold heavy truss. The second is batten, use a space to raise the surface of a material. L bracket, to join two parts generally at a 90 degrees angle. For the next tools is self-drilling screw, to combine the component. Hand drill, to steal and unscrew the truss section. For the last is a measuring tape, to make the truss so that the truss connects neatly. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Hamizan bin Maris dan saya akan terangkan tentang sequence of installation process. Okay, first of all, we need to marking and fix the L for easy to combine the other parts. Okay, after we marking and fix the L, we need to hoist and follow the sequence the truss on the roof beam. Make sure it is same as the drawing. Okay, then some of us stand the steel truss and the other fix the temporary bracing. Temporary bracing ni it can support wind and construction loads on the building. Okay, after that we install the hip rafter, because hip rafter can allow water and snow to run off with ease. Okay, then we need to install the perimeter batten, because batten are used to provide the fixing point for roofing material such as shingles or tiles. Okay, after we install the perimeter batten, we need to install roof insulation. It is because it can provide insulation and cooling. Okay, then we need to install the roof batten. It is same like perimeter batten. It used to provide the fixing point for roofing material. Okay, then we install lateral and diagonal bracing, because it can stabilizing a wall beam or structural system against lateral force. Also, we need to install diagonal bracing to create place at an angle to adjacent member to add strength. Okay, and after that, after we install all the things, we need to tighten the L and the bracket and the bracket, because it is used to connect trusses to internal walls, which prevent lateral movement of the trusses and the top of the wall. Okay, and lastly, we perform a visual inspection to see if something wrong or error. Okay, so tu daripada saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my name is Amirul Azim Imran bin Ahmad Syamsul, 11 DKA3A 1050. So the next part, we actually make steps. We make a project step by step. So the first step, section A, we make a fabrication process. So number 1, we check the actual size on site. Number 2, list each member and cut it. Number 3, labeling of each member. Number 4, trim and notch channel and its top, bottom and horizontal. Number 5, setting and fabricate the truss member. Number 6, depth the same truss and equivalent size. Number 7 is stack and store at the truss at the appropriate place. And then we go into the section B. Section B is installation process. The installation process starting with the marking and fix L bracket on roof beam. Number 2, hoist and sequence the truss on the roof beam as per drawing. Number 3 is stand the steel truss and fix the temporary bracing. Number 4, install the hip after and valid track, if any. Number 5, we install perimeter batten. Number 6, we install the roof isolation. Number 7, we install roof batten. Number 8, install lateral and diagonal bracing. And then the number 9, tighten L. And number 10, we perform visual inspection. So here's are the data for we making a project, IBS project. And then the next part is the drawing. We create a plan. We make a IBS project by according to drawing plan. And the last one is the conclusion. Our conclusion from this mini project, that we can see that working together is a key to finish the project yearly. And we also obtain learning about reading plan and how to use hand drill. And we also have to carefully while doing work with wearing safety equipment. We have to finish this project according to time given. Sekian saja daripada kami. Terima kasih.